Starting our updates over here at CityWalk. It's been a while since I've talked about these, but this is that new structure that arrived in front of AMC Theater, and it was rumored to be bathroom or restrooms, and I'm hearing that is correct. And these restrooms are arriving because the restrooms at the parking structure, you won't be able to access those very easily once this universal bubble happens. You know, you're gonna have to go through security to come in and out and all that good stuff. So they added more restrooms. It just makes sense. It makes sense, but these things are looking done. Huh. Things are progressing so much over here at Woody Woodpecker parking lot. Wow. And it looks like they even broke more ground in the parking lot over there. So it's opening further. Wow. So crazy. I love seeing active construction, man. The future is so bright out here at Universal. And then you can see lots of supports gone up over there for this wall that we keep hearing about. And then scaffolding has arrived over there behind the Dodger store. Wow. Now we're next to Dodger store, and we're next to that scaffolding I was pointing out earlier. I don't see ground. Oh no, there is ground broken. Kind of make out. Huh, so the wall will be over there. It's almost like we're just following this line. So the wall will be behind CityWalk. Go right here, all the way to the entrance of Universal Studios Hollywood. And we could see the connection. It'll take us through here. There's already ground broken right there. And this is the entrance of Universal. So the wall will go there, come through here. What I'm not sure is the wall gonna go through where security currently is? Or is somehow this wall gonna backtrack into this area? You know what I mean? I don't know. And to talk about more of the wall, we're talking about a wall the first like 2 minutes of this video. The scaffolding on the other side over there at the exit of Universal, that's a wall too. And it's all to create the Universal Studios Hollywood bubble. Such a gorgeous day out here at Universal. Shockingly, it's like 82 degrees. 82. It's like a summer day out here, and it's only February. But I'll take it. Hopefully it's low crowds. And I see lots of ground broken all on this side. That is something that they are emphasizing because they got to get that done, I heard, by summer. I am hearing this store right here is not long for this world, mainly because of FanFest. FanFest right around the corner, so get your Wicked stuff. If you're trying to buy any of this, get it. Get your discount. Scooby! I love you, Scooby! I love you! Oh, I love you so much! Can't wait to solve mysteries soon. Very soon. I just love running into Scooby-Doo. I got so many cool photos with him right now. One of the best meet and greets out here at Hollywood. One thing that is still unknown at this time, if the plaza will be used for FanFest. Last year we had flux capacitors, which were impeccable, fantastic. I can't say enough good things about them. Are they gonna come back? Can we get the flux capacitors back? It's not rumored to have anything back to the future, but flux capacitors were more than that. They were just our nostalgia, the millennial heart. Bring them back, Universal, bring them back. I have no clue if they've done any testing, but let's go to the lookout, wait a little bit, see if anything happens. And then we really want to take a look at that Jurassic Park and Harry Potter updates. So currently there's no testing at all, but they've been progressing on this right here. Look at that. Some new rock work has arrived. Different layers for whatever kind of theme. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's just all rocks. Like there's not gonna be a lot to it. Just rocks. So that's what's coming. And then out there in the distance, new scream shields. Look at that. They are hard at work now at that. Damn. So today we're here with my boy Villain.
Let's go.
We got SoCal Tall Guy.
Yo.
We got Mr. Photo Pass.
How you doing?
Or Mr. Philly. I don't know how you, what do you want to be called?
Mr. Photo Pass.
Mr. Photo Pass. And then we got Junior from Emerald City. Hey, you can't beat that sweater. $11. Yeah, take over. Oh, Wicked too. Wow.
Hey,
I should have.
That's where the deals are at.
I didn't know they had that shirt.
Yeah, they have this shirt.
Yeah, take two. Hey, look at this. Where's my Tattooey Sunset too, dog? And where's my Ronto roaster? What is this? What is it? What do they call it over here in Hollywood?
It's just a cold brew. It's a cold brew right here at the French Street Bistro. It's only for annual pass holders though.
Yeah.
We did talk to someone and they say they are turning people away if you don't have an annual pass. They're pretty strict about it.
Let me see.
Yeah, Cocoa Puffs.
Damn. That's the Black Calf cold brew from Galaxy's Edge. And then what else you get?
This is just a regular butter
Oh
croissant.
my God! Get a
It's my
macaron.
breakfast,
Fool. What are
man,
you
my
doing?
breakfast, my breakfast.
So what do you think? Galaxy's
Halfway
Edge
through it, I just got this, like, 10
or
minutes.
French Bistro?
You know what? They're both good. The creamer on this one felt more smooth. The one at Disneyland felt very thick and it was like flaky. That's what I was putting in my video. It was very flaky. I don't know if that's how it is or I don't know if it was just like a quick thing. But this one, I thought this one was a little bit better.
So as of today,
As of
French
today,
Bistro.
for me, that I'm not a coffee drinker and I'm just like biased on this stuff, this one's good.
I got the perimeter fence being created over here on this side of Fast and Furious. Look, the scream shields have reached this side now. They're almost done over here. It's looking good, looking good. And the supports are almost gonna be done soon. They gotta start filling it in for the last wall that's gonna happen for Fast and Furious. So we gotta enjoy these views, you know? This view will be gone soon.
You know what I was telling
The wall here too.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Great Wall of Hollywood.
Yeah.
Hey, and we got more walls being built at CityWalk.
I told Tall Guy that the lookout area is nice right now. It's going to be peaceful and calm. But come this ride opens up, it's going to be where people are going to be with their families waiting for them to like see the ride go through.
Yeah, take pictures.
The noise, all that stuff. That peaceful side of the area is gone once the ride
How about
opens
up there?
Yeah, the lookout area. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's crazy.
This is exciting. Not the dinosaurs, but the floor. And the reason why. What's going on? This might be the Jurassic walkthrough that we've all been hoping for. This wood being right there, I think that hints at that's a walkthrough. I don't think photo ops anymore, people. No way they're doing all that for photo ops. Oh my gosh. Oh my Lanta. Wow. Wood is being laid on the ground. If I was a betting man,
Unofficially.
I'm gonna say this is a walkthrough of some sort and not a photo op. Holy smokes. Whoa.
For their safety, children are not permitted to ride the escalators.
Dinos are out, ready to attack.
In about 20 minutes, Megatron's gonna come out. So we're gonna get on Transformers to wait for a Megatron. But right now they got Bumblebee. They removed the Five Nights at Freddy's stuff right here. Inside, they are still selling the Five Nights at Freddy pizza though. All right, let's get this all sparked, baby.
Behind you. Got it.
Ah!
Autobots, roll out. I got Megatron. can have it. Oh no! Your bravery saved the planet. Well done, freedom fighters.
Way to improvise, team. Thanks for meeting the challenge. Let's head on back to base. You can ride with evac
Anytime. You can ride with D-Back anytime. Oh, I love that part.
Where are you, Prime? I can smell you. Ooh, and I can smell you. Smells like pathetic human. You know who your master is. Me. Lord Megatron! Now listen to me closely. The flesh bag that brings the Allspark to me and my Decepticon army will be allowed to remain alive and serve us as machines have been made to serve humans all these many years. Before we begin this ridiculousness, a suggestion. As you approach me, salute me, or bow to me, but best yet, get down on one knee and say, "All hail, Lord Megatron!" And things will go smoothly. All right.
Walls have gone up over here at Forbidden Forest, Harry Potter. Something's happening. And those big tarps over there. Sheesh. Way in the back. A lot of work happening. Who knows what it is. But Forbidden Forest is coming alive. So nothing to see here. Obviously we got these two tarps. But there's an open trench now in the back over here. So stuff's happening. Stuff's happening over here for Forbidden Forest. It's gonna be exciting. I hope it's all wand inspired. You gotta have a wand, you know?
Dear Dr. Brown, on the night I go back in time at 1:30 a.m., you will be shot by terrorists. Please take whatever precautions are necessary to prevent this terrible disaster. Your friend, Marty.
Wow, you got this note from Marty?
I didn't get it. I found it slipped out of
You
his coat the other day.
commandeered this, bro. What the heck?
It fell out of his coat. I just wanted to get back to him. I just wanted to ask what this is about. You know what I mean? It's crazy.
Yeah, maybe he's never even read it. I don't know.
There's this scene where a dinosaur pushes the mobile lab off a cliff. That cliff is not a cliff at all. It's just a parking structure to the left of Soundstage 14. We decorated it with artificial rock facings, artificial trees, even a fake waterfall to make it look like part of the jungle. 5 of the TV show Hacks with Gene Smart and Hannah Einbinder. This show has a giant pile of awards at the most recent Golden Globe.
That means our skilled craftspeople had to build a high school, a house, and even recreate downtown Boston as it looked back in the day using exterior sets and facades that you're about to see on the tour. But I should warn you,
These are currently under refurbishment since they've been here since the silent film era, so they're taking a well-deserved break for new productions to move into them soon. And back on the left, we're driving by a little body of water known officially as Park Lake. But it has a ton of nicknames, like the Hollywood Ocean, or my favorite, the Black Lagoon, because back in 1954, this is where we filmed Creature from the Black Lagoon. Highly recommended. But now as we keep driving by on the left here, you're seeing brand new sets. These are less than a month old, and they're still working on them. These are for another one of those confidential productions I can tell you about. But all I can tell you is it looks like Greece, but if you keep looking left, you'll notice Greece turns into a giant suburban house that has nothing to do with Greece. So again, that's because our sets are not always what they seem. While at first glance, a lot of our sets look like regular buildings, the truth is, most of them are something called facades or false fronts. That means out here, we usually only build the front and the sides of the buildings, only what the camera requires to establish the exteriors. Interiors are usually built and filmed inside of the sound stages, where we have a lot more control. Into the fictional Universal Mass Transit station, supposedly in San Francisco. If you look on the left, there's that little tremor. Don't worry, these are coming in California. We'll get you out of here safely in a few moments. Alright, okay, it's a lot stronger than I anticipated. Please remain seated, remain calm, and listen up. The only way we're going to safely get out of here. Stop here. Originally opened in 1989 and it reopened in 2024 in time for the 60th anniversary of the studio tour and the 50th anniversary of the movie that inspired the attraction, the classic disaster movie, Earthquake. And even though these are some of the oldest sets in the studio, we use them all the time. The last production to film here before they started the refurbishment. The scene when Tom Cruise and his family attempt to escape their house in the state of New Jersey right after the extraterrestrial invasion. Officially nearing the end of the tour for today. On behalf of myself, Rayan, I've been your tour guide, our amazing driver Diego, and all of us here at Universal Studios Hollywood, I'd like to thank you for your visit.
It is really weird to not worry about glasses when I get off this thing, you know? But currently no King Kong, and I think it's a short refurbishment, so we'll get King Kong back soon. That's going to be all for today's adventure out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Some weird things today. Mummy was down for a refurb. How long is that down for? That's so random. I didn't hear anything of that. King Kong's down for refurb. You know, we heard the rumor about that. But hopefully these things are not down for too long. But I can't wait to be back and keep checking on those Jurassic Park lower lot updates and whatever that'll be. Also the Harry Potter Forbidden Forest. Things are getting exciting as we're getting closer and closer to Universal FanFest nights. I can't wait. All right, everybody, we are firing it down.